Active across the Baltics, this company provides engineering, manufacturing, and construction services from planning to completion. It produces steel, glass, and concrete elements and develops energy-saving systems. Recent work includes precast facade solutions for Sweden's Grid 17 and advanced facade blocks for Denmark's Mary Elizabeth Hospital. Stop dust and noise during construction with modular wall systems that fit many spaces. These panels help keep work zones separated and cleaner than plastic sheeting. Optional doors, windows, code locks, and ventilation add flexibility. Flexum Roof Mortar is a pre-mixed material that seals roof tiles, slates, corrugated sheets, and chimney joints. It resists water, UV rays, frost, and extreme heat or cold without cracking. La France. Bandfill is a crack sealant for asphalt and concrete, made with bitumen, rubber, polymers, and aggregates. It reacts well to temperature changes and harsh weather. Heated during use, it bonds strongly and forms a water-resistant seal. Factory-made bathroom pods from Australia help speed up building work. For more, plumbing comes pre-installed with drainage. Fixtures, lighting, sensors, protected outlets, and exhaust fans can all be done to fit your project. Now we're in Canada. Protects slopes, bridges, and drainage channels from erosion. Scourlock uses polypropylene with a lifespan of up to 200 years. Its permeable structure lets water pass through, helps reduce soil loss, and supports vegetation. This system makes reinforcement work much easier. Instead of placing and tying bars one by one, crews roll it out directly onto the formwork. That saves a lot of time. Built-in couplers also help connect steel in tight spaces. Brick cladding lowers structural pressure compared with traditional masonry and meets fire requirements. A ventilated cavity improves insulation and supports better acoustic control. Panels attach mechanically to concrete, steel, or timber frames with flexible joint options. RCC offers strong load support for ports, roads, warehouses, parking areas. It resists UV exposure and temperature changes while keeping its shape under static and dynamic loads. With proper installation, RCC can last more than 30 years and needs very little maintenance. Strengthen asphalt with Adfors GlassGrid, a fiberglass geogrid that helps limit reflective cracking and improve load distribution. Its pressure-sensitive backing sticks directly to asphalt without extra bonding materials, while the open grid structure supports strong interlock with hot mix asphalt.